2020 Hyundai Palisade. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It includes ample space for all passengers and comes with the following: cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, third row seating, heated side view mirrors, wood grain trim, backup camera, tinted windows, rear air conditioning, power driver seat, Bluetooth. Get pre-approved now and make this your next vehicle.